Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix or how you can customize the display of battery percentage on your Vivo phone. So in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix any issues related to your battery percentage settings. In here, as you guys can see at the top, this is my battery, and currently the percentage is not here, but when I slide down the push notifications, this is there, the percentage. So I'm going to fix that so that the percentage settings will show up whenever I open my phone, because I want to see and I want to know the percentage of my battery. So here, what you need to do is go to the battery settings by going to the settings app on your Vivo phone, and then you can just scroll down until you find the battery settings. So in the battery settings, you can see your battery performance. You can turn on the battery saver, and here you can also see the battery usage, screen time, and also since last full charge. And in here you can see there's also this battery style and percentage. So you can set the battery style and percentage display on the status bar, including the one that I mentioned before, the percentage settings. You can tap on that, and here you can see at the top the battery style. There's vertical, this one, it will change. There's also this horizontal, the one that I'm using, and circle. And if you want to see the battery percentage, you can see at the bottom there's the settings. So the current setting is do not display, so you can just click on this to show the percentage. You can just click on display outside battery, and as you guys can see here now, the battery percentage is showing on my home screen. Now you can just go back, and if you want to hide it again, you can click on the settings again and choose the do not display. So the setting is up to you, and that's it. That's how you can modify or change the battery percentage settings on your Vivo phone. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the thanks, click on the thumbs up button below, and also to support our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.